Okay, hey guys, welcome to my first royalty process on this channel. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is it's vacation. Like I'm not on vacation, but it is vacation. So yeah, I don't have school today. I am very happy for that. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're in the bathroom, but we really need to go to the toilet. So I'm gonna go to the toilet, and yeah. Okay, so I'm not forcing you to do this, but go support me or even like or comment. I would appreciate if you even like or if you even comment. I don't care if you don't subscribe. Just watch the video. Then I'll be happy already. I'm gonna put my feet. I'm done. Let's go wash my face. Okay, done. Let's do my hair. Okay, I'm back in my vanity so I can water my hair and put cream in my hair. My hair does not look too good, but yeah. It's never in the morning. I mean, yeah. No one's hair does look good in the morning, right? I don't know, but mine doesn't. Okay, so first I use this brush, but it isn't really good, so let's use this one. It's currently 10:02. And I woke up at 9:58 or 9. Yeah, I think 59. Yeah. No, 58. Yeah, 58. Let's put this in my hair. Got it. Let's put some hair oil in. Split my hair in a bun. I think bun or on it. Or no, let's do ponytail, otherwise bun. Yeah. Just gonna put some gel in my top, of course. Okay, I did a little slick back. I don't think it's so good, but yeah, no one cares. Comb it a bit. Okay, perfect. Just gonna put some face serum on, and then I'm gonna put on bronzer and concealer. This smells so good. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna put some concealer on. I have it on. As you can see, while it's put the bronzer on, it smells like watermelon. I love it. Okay, so people like in public ask me why I wear makeup at this young age. Well, because I got bullied a lot by my look, and yeah, that's why. So please don't hate that I'm wearing much makeup, because that's the reason. Okay, so the bun is really looking good. So let's go for a ponytail. This is the final hair look. Ponytail and a cute bang here. I curled it with my finger. Oh, I thought I stopped it. So now on my makeup, I'm gonna spray a Fake and Last Keep It Perfect spray. Let's do that. Okay, it's staying now, I guess. Curl my eyelashes. Okay, That's fun. Let's move on to my lips. I'm gonna put a lip balm and a juicy balm pink on. Why is there a blush on here? Whatever. Let's go first with the lip balm. I'm a bit sick, but yeah, I can still live, so I mean, yeah. I got this on DL after watching Lisi shops. So yeah. Now let's go with that pink juicy balm. It looks much better in real life, guys. Don't worry. Okay, I'm just gonna clean my vanity real quick. Bye guys, I love y'all.